Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I last uploaded any vlogging videos, but this time I couldn't stop myself because I'm traveling to my favorite destination, that is Malaysia. So this is Chennai's airport because we were traveling via Chennai. At Chennai, we landed and had our lunch there, which was my favorite wow momos and rajma chawal, and yes, of course, with some thumbs up. Then later, we took our flight to Malaysia. After landing at Malaysia, we checked in our rooms and then we went out for a walk. It was so beautiful. You can't imagine. It's always almost every day drizzling here, and the weather is mostly cloudy here. I'll show you some clips later. You'll find it how cloudy it is. This is the center of the city, that is the KLCC, where we are staying right now. It's really a beautiful area. So we went around just for a walk to see the close by areas. Here you can see the clouds and the twin tower and see the weather later in the evening. It was so cloudy with big thick black clouds around, and it was raining. Yes, it was. The very next day we went out again to explore the area where we can get nice Indian food. So, and also we wanted to explore LRT, which is the metro rail. So we went by Grab first. Grab is a taxi service which is like Ola and Uber in India. So after coming back through the LRT, that is the metro, we came through a mall and see the festival vibes here. It was so beautifully decorated everywhere. Each and every corner was specially decorated, and this is something I loved the most. Wow. So after exploring a few food court and Indian food, we went to Lulu. Lulu is in a area which is called Masjid India. My next vlog will be about Masjid India. Lulu is the most convenient place here for travelers like us because it has all the necessities which we want. It's same like Kuwait. So we got all the things what we wanted and we went back to our room. And here we reached our hotel. The place where we stayed was also beautifully decorated. Just see how beautiful it is. I loved the vibes here. And here I come to the end of my vlog. I hope you liked my vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. My next vlog will be about